Hey folks, if you haven't had a chance to do this, by the way, Bob Rapp here. It's April 26th at 4:26. I'm going to go ahead and create a free account on Azure. So you should be, as you come to the session tonight, you should already have an Azure account, but if you don't have one yet, you can use any email address. And again, we give you an ability to use a personal email address or a work email address, and you get 12 months of free services. Some of our services remain free forever, and some are free for this 12-month trial. So it's very cool. We never bill your credit card unless we tell you we're going to, so there's no risk of this costing you any money. Okay, so that's important for you to know. So I'm just going to go to I'm going to go to a new account, and I'm going to go ahead in this case and do a in private window. Okay, so that I make sure that I force a new account to be created, or to be forced to sign with a new account. So I just created an account today. So Baker Bob 2021 at outlook.com. And it's going to go ahead and ask me my authorization. I'm going to go ahead and keep me signed in on this a pretty secure password. And then it's going to say, hey, it's going to let me go ahead and log into Azure, but it's going to say, would you like to create? And you have a chance of doing a few things here. Start a free trial, access student benefits, or manage Azure Active Directory. I'm going to go ahead and try a free trial now. Because I've done a bunch of free trials, it may not actually let me get past the window here, because it's going to be tied back to my Microsoft account. But it's going to ask me some basic information. It's going to say their popular services are always free, 25 services are always free, and $200 credit for the first 30 days. So I'm going to stop there. If you haven't done this before, please go ahead and complete this. If you have done this before, don't worry. It will tell you maybe you're not eligible. So no harm, no foul. And looking forward to working with you all.